Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and this is Carol's equipment from Indiana, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. This lamp does not have any power, and Carol has had some type of power surge or fluctuation on her line, and the circuitry associated with this type of animated lamp is very delicate, and they do not deal well with power fluctuations or surges on the line. We want to go ahead and troubleshoot our main PC board, locate the issues, and we'll make our repairs. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool Mickey Mouse animated lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. We also want to mention that there's a main power switch at the back of Mickey at the base, and you always want to have that switch in the off position when plugging Mickey into the electrical outlet or unplugging Mickey. And if you're not going to use the lamp for a period of time, you want to turn that switch off. We have Mickey plugged into the electrical outlet, and we want to go ahead and turn the switch in the on position.
What a bright idea!
Now we're going to go ahead and wait a little bit. We do not want to turn this type of lamp on and off too quickly. We want to give it a little bit. We'll go ahead and turn Mickey off.
Like so.
We'll give that a second. We'll turn Mickey back on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
And Mickey has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the lamp on and off. We'll go ahead and turn Mickey off.
So long, pal.
We'll give that a second and turn Mickey back on.
Ah, that's better.
We'll go ahead and turn Mickey off.
See you real soon.
And we'll turn the lamp back on one last time.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp has been repaired, we can return it to Carol, and she can enjoy this Mickey Mouse lamp once again. I'm sure Mickey's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.